Good morning.
And finally, new rule, nothing with crypto in the title ever turns out good.
Don't write me about Bitcoin, please. I don't give a so don't ask me.
Bitcoin happens to use a lot of energy. It happens to promote anonymous transactions.
Bitcoin is not a currency.
Not bullish on Bitcoin.
You, John McAfee, believe in the power of Bitcoin. So much so that you'll put your on the table, chop it up, put it in your mouth, swallow.
If it doesn't reach at least $1 million.
99.999% of the people that own Bitcoin are f***ing morons. That's just it.
What's it feel like to be a Bitcoin?
I don't have any Bitcoin.
You don't?
No.
Okay.
Good morning.
Good morning, everybody. Welcome to the late GM show. Totally my fault. I have some house maintenance things going on that I had to attend to, and so today's show may be cut a little short as well. I'm sorry. I know it's Monday and we all need to get together and hang out and have fun. But today is just a little crazy. So bear with us, please. Let's just jump right into things, though. Welcome, everybody. Thank you for liking, subscribing, all the good things with the show. There's some new subscribers over the weekend, so that's nice. Hopefully, maybe some of you are tuning in. And check out our website, gmdefi.xyz. This is the Everything GM website. And you can check out our kimono indicator there, which is an all-in-one indicator for trading view that is free. All you got to do is hit us up in the Discord or on Twitter or wherever and just send us your trading view username and we will hook you up with this indicator. It shows you trend, momentum, volatility, volume, all the good things in one indicator. Let's hop into the news, eh, Matt?
Yes, and good morning.
Hyper talking there, so
Yeah. I was all trying to, I'm
Where?
just like trying to get into this position here.
Oh yeah, Matt's also trading. You guys, we are very distracted this morning. We're a very distracted crew this morning.
Well, it's you gotta make sure your orders are getting filled. It's crucial.
Marriage in the metaverse, yes, and Singapore is expecting various government and legal services to take place there too. So apparently, you'll be getting married in the metaverse in the future. Well, maybe not you, but all the Gen Zers, all the Zoomers will be tying the knot in the metaverse. Now, it's interesting because it doesn't say here if the blockchain is involved, but this headline made me think about how like marriage licenses could be put on the blockchain. Other things like that could all be put on the blockchain. It's there forever. It never goes away.
What that's kind of frightening, bro. What are you doing coming up with these like sick
dystopian ideas?
Ew. Marriage on the blockchain.
Sorry.
I don't understand. Like, why would you get married in the metaverse? Like, why would that even be a thing you'd want to do? I mean, I guess it would probably be cheaper than an in-person wedding.
Exactly.
For sure,
we can all be on the beach in the sun with the sunset.
Everyone likes to be in wedding. Like,
hey, I can still get wasted. I just drink over here and
but it's not an
party
open
in
bar.
there.
It's not the same.
It's only open bar if you make it.
You're not gonna be like dancing and stuff and like all the fun stuff that you do at a wedding.
Hey, you can still dance in the metaverse, I bet. Oh yeah, it's real fun. Restrictions on cash payments in Israel are prompting a shift to digital payments. So I guess there's a new regulation that's starting. I guess there's a new regulation limiting the use of cash on starting today, August 1st. It specifies that it would be unlawful to pay firms more than 6,000 NIS, which is 17 in cash. So payments beyond the limit must be made in alternative ways, including debit cards or digital payment transfer mechanisms. amount of cash that can be traded between private individuals not identified as business owners is about $4,360 per the new rules. So if you can only pay a business up to $1,700 in cash, and you can only pay another person up to $4,360 exactly in cash. Seems kind of crazy, but I guess this is like the way of just, it's like, okay, well,
who's doing
we're
this?
gonna push you. This is Israel. We're gonna push you into digital payments. God damn it! Like we're burning the cash and we're going all digital. So no more of that shit. But this may lead to more crypto adoption. We'll see what that means. But just an interesting development for sure. And it says in all situations, transactions above these amounts may include a cash payment amounting up to 10% of the entire transaction value. That's confusing. So I'm guessing this is also good for the tax authorities there. It's easier to obviously track everything going on. No more of those pesky cash payments to deal with.
Dude.
Government's gonna government, bro.
They're gonna govern. That's kind of
what
they do.
Binance loses 90% of their users after implementing KYC, losing billions in revenue. I know plenty of people that left Binance when this happened. So yeah, I just didn't realize it was so many of the Binance users that left when they did this. It's just kind of interesting.
Yeah, 90% is quite a bit, man. Like that. And think of like where everyone else went, like what other platforms they probably went. Obviously ones that didn't do KYC. So I don't know. Yeah, like Femex, Bybit, those kind of sites probably benefited quite a bit from this Binance policy change. So I mean, they kind of
this was Binance's lead compliance officers named Tigran Gambaryan said the move has cost the crypto exchange billions in revenue when he discussed how Binance is exponentially larger than its competitors, but using real math, noted the rate of illegal behavior is the same across the board. So the illegal behavior hasn't really changed as a result of the KYCing. That's kind of funny. It's like, oh, wow, criminals are going to figure out how to be criminals.
And it's not like, the KYCing, like that just hurts like just normal people just trying to trade on, whatever platform, it's just like you're not really deterring, stopping criminals from, laundering money and shit like that because you're implementing KYC,
Yeah.
I think that's maybe do you think it's just a lot of like old white men have no idea about Web3 or crypto or anything, and they're kind of just the ones making all the policies?
Yeah, I don't know. Who are those people that make all those policies?
Old white dudes.
They do usually seem kind of old to me. Yes. Yeah, they're like, no. That's all they just say, no, figure out how to stop this. No. But I guess the Binance CEO said that that it was a misquoted figure after this article with that interview was published. So who knows what the reality is there? But Binance's lead compliance officer said it cost them billions and that they lost 90% of their customers. So that's a quote. But then, but Binance CEO says it's a misquote. So. I'm sure he's gonna sue whoever that is.
Quoted but wrong.
Yeah, they're gonna. I'm sure. Oh yeah, CoinDesk. It looks like CoinDesk was the one that reported that. So I guess CoinDesk should be expecting a lawsuit probably any minute now from Binance. The city of Miami is launching an NFT collection, releasing 5,000 Ethereum-based NFTs later in the year. The city's partnering with Time Magazine, Salesforce, and MasterCard. Ooh, sounds like an exhilarating launch to me. To the press release, the NFTs will be created by 56 Miami artists. That's cool. To represent the city's 56 square mile area. Okay, it's kind of cool. They'll be assisted by Time and MasterCard that will be offering benefits to holders of the Miami NFTs, such as access to special events, restaurants, and cultural tours of the city. Salesforce will take care of the NFT minting and the primary sales using its NFT cloud platform, a new product it has yet to be released.
What?
That's news to me. I
Salesforce
didn't
is
know
doing
Salesforce was going to have an
Salesforce is
NFT
doing it?
platform.
Jeez,
So here comes
Louise.
Web 2, boys.
Why?
Here
Again,
comes Web
why?
2.
Everyone doesn't
Here
need
they
their
come.
own damn platform for NFTs. You know
I
what I
mean,
mean? That's
you
just
know, I have thought about how like CRMs, there's no real good CRM right now for like Web3 businesses. That, you know, there could be new CRM possibilities using wallets. I've also thought like an ad tracking, you know, ads, like essentially the Google ads for the crypto world, where it's maybe tracking high value wallets and displaying ads to you know, Web3 sites where you have to log in with your wallet. And if you have a high value wallet, maybe you're getting, you know, displayed at certain ads. So I think,
right.
you know, we have like these Web 2 businesses that are pretty standard, like ad tracking and CRMs that have yet to really take hold here in Web 3. And I think all that is definitely coming. We've
Yeah,
really
that's
barely
interesting.
scratched the surface.
Well, in Miami, don't they have their own crypto token too? Their own token?
Like a shitcoin, maybe. I don't know.
Yeah, I think the city of Miami did their own shitcoin.
Wow. That's impressive.
That
Impressive.
was a little while ago, but yeah.
I saw over the weekend everybody was talking about the fancy new Tiffany and Co. Punk drop here. I guess if you are a Punk holder, you will be able to pay 30 ETH, quite a steal, to get your. Don't laugh, bro. Don't laugh. To get your, I guess it's like a CryptoPunk. Let's see. I saw a better video actually of this. Let's see if I can find it. Let's just quickly try to. Oh, there was a rendering. Oh yeah, here we go. This is the NFT collection for CryptoPunk holders that will grant owners the right to claim a real pendant. So for 30 ETH, you can get a CryptoPunk pendant. Check that out. Blingy bling bling. The ultimate
That's
Web3
pretty cool,
flex, bro. Just wait until you're at NFT Las Vegas with your CryptoPunk necklace hanging around your neck. That's some real bling right there. So high quality blingage for sure.
Makes me.
Yeah, we're stepping up the
right.
Web3 merch game, bro.
Dude,
Stepping
I
it
can't
up.
stand. Why would anyone get that?
Bro, you should get it for your waifu. Love it.
No.
You know, it's like,
no.
yeah, I'm like thinking about it. I'm like, tell my girlfriend that I spent 10 grand on an NFT, and then I bought this 30 grand or like probably 40 grand pendant. So
Yeah, well, isn't
okay,
no, it's
we'll
not.
be
You're
okay.
the NFT is going to be a lot more because it's a punk, right? Are they only doing it for the punks?
Well, I think it costs 30 ETH. Yeah, and I think you have to have a punk to even buy it
Yeah,
or
so the
something.
punk is going to
So,
cost you a lot more than the
well,
30
oh
just
yeah.
the floor.
Oh yeah.
Yeah,
I mean, you got to already have a punk. Yeah. I mean, you
Yeah.
got to already have a punk. So yeah, in addition to the cost of the punk, if you don't already have a punk, yeah, then you got to buy that too. So yeah.
And I know
So,
you don't got a
that's
punk, so why don't you go get your girlfriend a punk?
shots
And
fired.
do you even, if you don't give your
I think it'd
girl
be better to just
a
go get your
punk
girlfriend
and
something just from Tiffany's, just that's not punk related, and it probably cost you a fraction of this punk. But you know, this just is not like a nice liquidity cash grab, right? Tiffany sees like, oh wow, well, these people all got money to burn. So you know, there's some
right?
liquidity here, and we're gonna just cash grab this liquidity. So
Yeah,
you know,
exactly.
I saw the
that's
Nickelodeon
exactly.
NFTs. I mean, hopefully we'll get to the NFT section here and I don't get interrupted. But I saw those Nickelodeon Rugrats like NFTs are like have dropped by 90%, I think, in value now. So, you know, it's like corporate NFTs and celebrity NFTs. There's none of them have really done super well yet. And so I think, you know, we still have yet to
No,
see the best play from corporate world.
yeah, I think dude, it all kind of falls flat, doesn't it? I don't um yeah, it just falls flat on their face. I mean, cuz it's just kind of suck. I mean, they all kind of suck. I mean, to be honest, like what's the utilities all suck, and there's not like a lot of reasons to be to be buying them if the utility sucks that bad. It's just like cool. What do I get with the cool? Yeah, I guess Rudrax gives me some member berries, but like what do
The
you
nostalgia factor. That's why you get it. You
why?
do it for the
Yeah.
nostalgia, bro.
Why if you wanted to feel nostalgia, just go watch the old show or some shit. Like why buy a stupid NFT? Not everything has to be an NFT. You know what I mean?
Whoa, bro. Hey, chill, bro. Some
No,
things,
it is
everything
true.
has to be an NFT, bro.
Not
No,
everything has to be an
don't listen
NFT.
to him. Don't listen to him. We must NFT everything, you guys. Don't listen to him. He's an imposter. I was going to try to pull up the floor chart here. It's not, of course, not loading for me. But yeah, floor on those Nickelodeons is 0.04. I'm trying to remember what they minted for. Oh yeah, here we go. Now my floor chart might pop up. I just want to see this real quick. Oh, something went wrong. Oh, that's sad, bro. That's real sad. I can't check the floor. Well, maybe I'll pull it up during the break. But actually, I'll pull it up while Matt pulls up his charts here for the TA section. Let's see if I can get my Nickelodeon thing going here. Nickelodeon load, something load. Okay, we're gonna just go to Matt's charts actually because he beat me to it actually. So
Boom.
We got our shit together today, guys. We got our shit together. Promise.
We're here. All right, check it out. We're on Bitcoin on the weekly. We're still, the weekend didn't do much. Everything kind of stayed in kind of the same range it's been. So let's go down. No, let's go down to like 4 hour here. So Bitcoin still just hanging out in this giant macro fib here between these levels, the 19 to the 27. I think this is going to be a pretty big range, and I'm looking for the price to get up to this level before we really start making another move down. So I'm bullish, guys. I would say we could possibly get there. And here on the 4 hour on Bitcoin, looks like we're going to get an oversold signal, which means that we could be seeing prices moving up. All right, because it's just look, it was gross all weekend. Just stayed in the range. I was watching Ethereum doing the same thing, waiting to see if it broke up or down or did anything, and it just was just laying in as like a dead fish in stagnant water. It didn't really do anything. Oh, nice pumpage happening here. I'm currently in a position. What's my position on ETH again? It's not that good. I had an order. I was hoping it would fill. It was right down here. Around like, yeah, it was like 1625 or so I had it set at. And it just didn't quite get it filled. So I'm it didn't fill, and then the price was running up like crazy, and I was waiting to see if I'd maybe get a little bounce back down and get a better entry, but you know what? We just got filled anyway, so that's all right. We're still in a decent position because I'm thinking here for Ethereum, right? If you look at this local fib, let's pull it. Let's pull this fib on Ethereum so everyone sees what's going on here. All right. So yeah, I mean, you could see that we're just kind of. I wonder if this is just going to be the range that we're going to be hanging out in for a little bit. But it's going to be. I'm looking for the number go up. Right. I'm looking for a breakout here because this during the weekend we kind of just hung out up here. If we did. What fib do I want to do? Let's pull. What fibs did I have on now? So I believe it was from this low, yeah, to this high, and we'll do a resistance fib too, just to kind of show how this all works. All right. So in this local fib, I know it kind of gets messy with all these different fib lines everywhere, but I'm seeing us play in between in between these two zones here, right? This is where I'm seeing its play a lot. So I was like, hey, let's buy down here. That's where my order didn't get filled. And so I got a bit of a crappier position. But you know what? I'm expecting price to come up and challenge this top resistance fib. So it's about 1700-ish level here. Get back up, challenge 1700 again. And because it bounced here at 1630, I was kind of thinking that it would bounce a little bit lower. Honestly, I thought maybe the bounce would come in this morning. I was like, okay, maybe we get some more wicks down uh to get a little bit lower. Like I was thinking like 1620 something. Um, you know, more deeper in this range, but it it bounced really quick. And so I'm thinking this is in play here, this move up here. It might take um today, tomorrow, we'll see how long it takes to make that move. But yeah, I'm that's what I have this position going here for. I should probably, if I'm gonna use this. Right. So that's like a 2.5 move, what it looks like. So that's what I'm looking for with ETH. Everything on the larger time scales here was this morning saying dump, 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 and it still is like Bitcoin here. Bitcoin on the 4 hour looked like that wave was about to cross, and we were going to get an oversold signal. So that looks a lot more bullish than what ETH currently looks like. So um we'll see how this range plays out here. But yeah, again, I'm just expecting this move here from here. Whoops, that's not what I wanted. You know what? Let's do a price range here. What percentage move is this? Yeah, I'm guessing that's a 2% move, dude. We can see that. We can see that. So, this candle right now, it's just, I'm not too stoked about my position currently. It's just because it's like I don't like being. I like better. I probably could have got an order filled down here if I was a bit quicker this morning. But hourly, we just posted this oversold signal, so we could be seeing, a few green candles here in a few hours. 2 hour looks like it's about to print an oversold signal, starting of a green wave here. And the 2 hour really has been on these local fibs, been what really moves it from level to level, right? It goes from here to here, you know, then we quickly wick up, get this kind of fake out, then then we start taking our slow time getting back down to this level, wicking down here. So yeah, I'm thinking, okay, so we're getting this dot here. What level are we going to be taking? Again, likely back up here. That's what I'm looking for. That's my current trade. That's my play right now. So we'll see how this does. I might go live here today.
Oh, we may
Kinda
get the
just
first episode of the Take Profit show today,
what?
guys.
Oh, you're back. Hello. I thought you
Ooh,
were
I'm
gone.
like a ghost. Yes, I'm
Uh,
I'm on spirit right now. I'm not
yeah.
really here.
All right. Then we have Ape Watch. All right. Ape is pumping. It's up 4%. I was not paying attention at all to Ape over the weekend. Oh man, should I have been? No. Dang, it's been doing decent. Um, let's see how it's doing on this. It's blowing above the fib. So Ape's been performing much better than any of these over the weekend, really. So whereas a lot, so I should have been paying attention to Ape. I don't trade over the weekend, so I wouldn't have done anything about it anyway. But you know, maybe I would have if I was feeling cute, I guess. But we're still getting higher highs here on Ape. It's pretty incredible how crazy Ape has been doing. Um, like I wonder. So in this macro fib, I guess this isn't. I guess we gotta move this up a little bit. Um, I'm I'm thinking a so I mean it's just been pumping, right? It comes down to this level, pumps back up. Where do we see eight going to? Well, we do have this. Is this? Oh yeah, oh yeah. So we have guys, we have some larger fibs up here. I'm assuming this looks a lot better on the daily. Yeah. So here, ape, right? Will it be able to come back up here? Of course, it's possible to get back up here. And I think the first level to come take is this 850 range. All right. And we're already at $7 right now. Ape's at 7. So I'm thinking that hey, from the current price now, we will be seeing a 20% increase at some point, right? I mean, it might not happen here too soon, but I mean, on the daily, we're about to get a green dot. An oversold signal. This money flow wave is really starting to come up here on the daily. Um, so money going into ape is that what that's saying? We have a green wave on 2 hour. The week is a green wave. That's all the data we have for that. That's kind of sad.
Never go up.
Yeah, I mean, right now it's like okay, 30-minute. We on the lower time frames, we're a little bit down, but guys, it's like that this level right here, the 850, is not that far. That's the kind of the first level to kind of take to really start getting back up into that kind of macro fib pattern where we could see maybe, above $10 again and then 20. I don't want to get ahead of myself. That could be wow. But I feel like isn't it like September supposed to be a huge month? I think so coming up for
Of course.
Yuga
bull
Labs and
market bet.
NFTs in general. So I think we could be getting a run up for that. So yeah, I mean it's all looking pretty good. Maybe I get some ape today just to hodl, That's what I'm kind of thinking, just to stack some ape.
Nice. Nice.
Yeah, that might be a decent play. So,
Be ape stacking
um,
time.
yeah, and then I mean, is there any big winners, big losers? I mean, ape I think was the biggest one I saw. It was like the biggest winner over the weekend here. Everything else kind of just right now, currently, it's kind of stuck. We're stuck. We can't really
Not much
Ethereum.
movement. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah, not much movement at all.
Waiting for the Monday action.
Yeah, I mean, we had this, this little pop here. I'm thinking that we'll probably, price action. It's gonna be moving, right? It's gonna go in between these levels a couple of times, and then it'll break, and then it'll do this. It'll kind of go that. It's gonna be volatile, right? It's not gonna be just a straight up or anything like that. I don't imagine. So just hold on to your butts, guys. I don't see, this is kind of the perfect little pattern you'd want to see for a breakout, right? You get a W, boom, we broke that. So and we closed the candle up there. So let's see if this, in order for this to be invalidated, right? We'd have to really see price start breaking these closed candles here, and then then we're just kind of back in this range, I think. Um, but we'll see. I'm hopeful. I'm pretty bullish, guys, because mostly I'm bullish because you step back and look at the weekly here, right? I mean, we just started. Like we still have, obviously 6 days left. It's just the beginning of the week. And it's like, yeah, last week, right? We wicked down, reclaimed this entire candle, and then we closed at a green candle for last week. That's pretty insane. So yeah, it's gonna be a bumpy ride, but I'm expecting us to get like I really see 2000 right up here, this zone, because it's a golden pocket. We've already busted through this fib level. it's gonna want to come up and challenge this and get back, challenge, have fun in this range again, at least before we move down. I know everyone, right? We're still in a bear market. People keep talking, hey, we're gonna be three-digit ETH is still a thing that we could still see. Um, True. True. That is true. I mean, crazy things happen in crypto, but before that happens, it's wanting to test this up here, right? And so, if I were to get ETH, I'd say, okay, I'm holding it until, hey, that's a 20% jump. That's not bad. Just hold it until it gets up to that level and see what happens to the price. So I think we could get there this week. We could do that this week. Some people, I know, some
That's
people
the
are
most
pretty
bullish
bearish
thing
this
I've
week,
heard
but
Matt say ever.
I'm like, it wants to get up here first.
He's turning into a bull.
It might take all week to do that, but I think we want to get up to this level up here. It just makes sense. It just makes sense. And I see that not all my indicators are working, or maybe I have them off. No, they're just not working. Cool. So I was gonna say, like, I would like to see my moving averages, but they're not populating right now. That's okay. But I was seeing, like, there is a lot of confluence up here, up in that level up here. Like, there's on the daily, 200 moving average is right up there. So I'm the price is gonna want to get up there at some point. So just hold on to your butts, guys. Yeah, I got an alert.
I really like this. I really like this little peach with the hands up thing that Dickenza sent, and I'm like, man, someone needs to make a peach heads NFT. Man, I would be down for some peach heads. Like
peach
all
heads
for that. Peach heads. It's coming soon. Peach heads NFT.
Oh,
I'm
all right.
dropping it.
I'll be.
On
Let me know
salami.
what mint. Yeah.
Well, you're gonna have to
Cool.
get some salami to mint it. Sorry.
What? You have to have salami?
Yes, you got to have some salami.
All right.
Matt said he's going to sell his soul to get some salami. So, it's happening, guys. Slowly but surely, it's happening.
I am gonna get some soul today, or I don't know. Freeman was all getting me to FOMO into some soul NFTs.
I know, and I
shit.
really want to talk about everything going on in the NFT section, because like I have actual stuff to talk about.
Yeah,
over there,
you have
but
a lot of,
I actually
like,
have to go. So we're gonna have to cut the show early today. We're gonna have to do the intermission.
just
Is
have
gonna
to-
play us out, and I'll do
All
I'll
right.
do it maybe an NFT section later. In like an hour or so, maybe. I don't know.
Yeah.
Oh,
maybe
it's
do
a
that.
mess today, guys. I'm sorry. Sorry, I'm a mess.
Yeah.
It's
It's a
shit
Monday.
show.
Go nap.
Literal shit show. Go nap. Yeah. Go. What are you doing right now? Why are you up this early?
Yeah. it's
Dickenza.
Monday.
Don't you have
Go
to
back to
work
bed.
out some beats to make? Okay.
I love how, like,
Well,
usually it's like Gary Vee and everyone's all like, yeah, Monday, let's go, let's fucking go. And we're like, go fucking nap. Go take it's fucking Monday. It sucks.
usually I'm that guy too, but today I got I've got stuff going on in my house, so like I can't be that guy. I'm still that
all
guy
right,
at
well-
heart, guys.
Well,
still
go
with it.
go talk
Okay,
to the
we're gonna
maintenance
roll the
people.
intermish, and then we'll and that's gonna play us out for the show. And then Matt may be doing a trading show today, so just like keep your noties on, guys, for all our stuff
Keep
in the
your noties
Discord
on.
and Twitter. Frequent naps and high blood pressure. Oh God. Okay, never mind. Don't nap, everybody. Sorry, not
Wow.
health advice. Not health advice.
Wow.
Please be careful with your
Who
naps.
knew? That's crazy.
Now we have the nap
God, naps
alpha.
were good
We
for
have the
you.
nap alpha. Okay, no more naps. No more naps. Sorry, Matt. Now
No, you
now
can sleep
know.
when you're dead.
Sorry, bud. Exactly. Okay, everybody. GM, thank you for joining.
I'm gonna take it right there just to lock it down. Don't want to get stuck in some stupid bounce back up on TATT short there. And there it goes down there to the 590s. God, I don't know why I look at the chat. I don't want advice from anybody. It's crazy. Look at my P&L. Oh my, fuck! I just blew a fucking brain. Oh my, fuck! Fuck! Fuck!
Perfect.
I know you're making lots of money coin thing. Yes, and I do think you're smart. I think you're ever so smart. And I know you're providing for me, and I love you so much. But you promised today we would go. No, I don't quite remember what you told me the other day because I fell asleep. That's what happens when you talk to me about your cryptos before bed. I don't know what the hash rate is. No,
What happened yesterday happened yesterday. Today's the day. Go out there. Don't take shit from nobody. You got a dream, fucking live it. Live it. And if they don't want to be a part of your dream, fuck it. Throw them off the railing. Who gives a fuck? At the end, it's you against the fucking world. You follow me? And then it's you against you. So you got two fucking wars you're fighting at one time. Smoke a little reefer, write your notes, do your 22 push-ups, and tell the world, you know what? You better fucking hide in camouflage, because I'm coming for you, motherfucker.
It's all a fugazi. You know what a fugazi is?
No, fugazi. It's fake.
Yeah, fugazi, it's a wazi, it's a woozy, it's not fucking real.
Right.
All right? All right. Stay with me.
Mm-hmm.
We don't create shit. We don't build anything.
For watching GMTV.